Hello everyone and welcome back to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning operators, and in today's class we will look into arithmetic operators. In the previous class we learned about assignment operator. Operators are symbols with special purpose or meaning in Java. Java provides, apart from equal to sign, which is assignment operator, Java provides several arithmetic operators to perform arithmetic tasks. For example, when you want to add two numbers, you want to say, you can say x equal to 3 plus 5. This is a basic addition operation with the plus sign is addition operator. Similarly, you can say y equal to 5 minus 3, and this is your subtraction operator. For multiplication, we don't use x. In algebra, you say, we have, like in algebra, you can say y equal to 5 times a. The x sign is not permitted. For multiplication, you use a star or asterisk. You can say y equal to 5 is asterisk a. For the division, we use the forward slash. Remember, the backslash is different meaning. It's called escape character. We learned that backslash n, backslash t. The forward slash is what we use it for division purposes. So when you say forward slash and you say y equal to 5 divided by 3, this will do the division. And we'll learn a little bit more about another operator called percentage, which is used for remainders or also refer as modulus in the next class. And we will look a little bit deeper into division operators, especially when you are dividing integer numbers and it kind of creates a decimal. We'll look into that. What happens when we do an integer division, or when we do decimal division and all that in the next class. See you again.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.